They're hungry.
That's what I call a smorgasbord.
At least Geico makes bundling our home and car insurance easy.
You save us a ton of money. Well, take the combo to go.
Good idea, Yogi.
Now I'm smarter than the average man.
You're gone, Dad.
For bundling made easy, go to geico.com.
There's a place our legs could wander to, nicest bed. You long like I long for a cool creek ankle deep to press your face against the wind. Let's go. You lead, I'll follow. There's nowhere we can wander. No, you hear it calls you. Let's go. I'll lead you, follow. There's nowhere we can wander.
Project at Angie.com or download the Angie mobile app today. Make your home an Angie home. The Subaru Crosstrek. Dog tested, dog approved.
Most of this planet, every living thing here needs me. Humans, they're not different. I suggest they listen close. I'm only gonna say this once. If nature isn't kept healthy, humans won't survive. That's all I have to say.
Whales breathe air, they're intelligent and social. That's why they're protected. Drift gillnets are a mile wide, 100 feet deep, and invisible. They catch thousands of animals, including whales, dolphins, sharks, and sea turtles. Join me and Oceana to help get these nets out of the water. You are not your diagnosis.
A medical chart is not your identity.
And vision loss does not define you. Your drive shows who you are.
And you are not alone.
Because we are driven to.
To be a beacon of strength, a champion of courage.
An advocate for hope.
You are not alone.
Because we are stronger together.
We drive the research for the cures we're finding.
We're fighting macular degeneration
LCA.
Retinitis pigmentosa.
and the entire spectrum of blinding retinal diseases.
We fund.
We fight. We win.
We
We
are
are the foundation
fighting blindness. Together,
We are fighting blindness.
join the fight at fightingblindness.org.
Mom, can we get some ice cream? Please, Mom, please.
No, we're having dinner soon.
Please.
You don't have to be perfect to be a perfect parent. There are thousands of children in foster care who will take you just as you are.
Dad told me he watched that show too. He told me he watched the show as well. He on the brand new Snappy LC app.
For half the cost of cable. Watch your teams live in 4K. Plus, entertainment for the whole family. Record to the cloud and watch anywhere. Try free at FuboTV.com.
It is bear country, though.
Hey, boo-boo, we hit the jackpot. Bear. Look, corn on the cob.
Ooh, chicken. Don't mind if I do.
You're hungry.
T-bone. That's what I call a smorgasbord.
At least Geico makes bundling our home and car insurance easy.
You save us a ton of money. We'll take the cobbler to go.
Good idea, Yogi.
Now I'm smarter than the average bear.
You're gone, Dad.
For bundling made easy, go to geico.com.
Pain?
Yeah.
Here, aspirin cream with max strength lidocaine. Works fast and lasts. Keep it. You're gonna need it.
Kick pain in the ass.
We had to get out of his place. I don't know. We gotta go anyway. Come on, guys. He thinks Acapulco just like everybody kills us in Sinapi Rider DLC.
She's more of a groundbreaker. Just look at the way she's reshaping and reimagining her 4-acre slice of heaven. It's not hard to tell she's the real deal. Renee runs with us on a John Deere 1 Series tractor because out here, you can't fake a job well done. Nothing runs like a deer.
Get back out there. And with Copper Tone Sport, we can reclaim the boulders, the backwoods, and the breakers. Copper Tone Sport. Find your son.
You love for half the cost of cable. Watch your teams live in 4K. Plus, entertainment for the whole family. Record to the cloud and watch anywhere. Try free at FuboTV.
We gotta get out of free Vandy van. What? The bus? Yes. Why? Get in the van. Yo, get in the van. I'm not playing with. Can I get a shopping cart? You can shut the put your shopping cart in the van and go yourself. Now let's go. Snappy. Now. Yo. There she is. Guys, there's the asshole. Right here? Yeah. What do you want me to do?
So important. They contain most of the life on the planet, and they provide hundreds of millions of people with food and jobs. Oceana works to protect the world's oceans because they are filled with amazing creatures like orcas here in the Pacific Northwest. And healthy seas have the potential to provide 1 billion people with a seafood meal each day. Visit oceana.org to sign up. Let's save the oceans and feed the world.
Sandy Shores. Come on, then. Wait, where? At the end of the location at Sandy Shore. I might get the girl. Snappy. He said at Alders Camp. Alders Camp? Yeah. Alright, give me all you got. Come on. Alright, super pursuit mode. Super pursuit mode. Come on. Beep. Beep, 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 beep. Watch Synopia Rider DLC only on Synopia TV Plus.
The Subaru Crosstrek. Dog tested, dog approved.
Watching on television when you're in resort areas. Log on to resorttvresearch.com/survey. Do it from your phone, tablet, or computer and let us know. And we'll enter you into a drawing to win a custom-built Carver titanium bike. Log on, complete the survey telling us what networks you've been watching, and enter to win. That's it. Go to resorttvresearch.com/survey. See site.
Bobby, did you get him? Sort of. Oh, no, Hacker Boy, you okay? No. Oh no, Hackabo's dead. Now I'm not gonna play with a YouTuber like him tomorrow. But I'm gonna